Hi everyone, it's Dione with the Dione Irwin Real Estate Team, and we're here at our newest listing at 272-250 Range Road 22 in Rocky View County. We're just 10 minutes west of Airdrie. Let's go take a look. This property is just 15 kilometers straight west of Airdrie. It has a large shop with an overhead door, an insulated barn, and there's even a chicken coop, corrals. The natural trees are amazing. It has a nice 5-bedroom home. So if you like what you see and you think this could be your acreage, make sure you send us a message today. We can show you this property and then you can start packing.